Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine. Did you hear about the pro-life march on Washington that is going on right outside our window?
Yes, in fact, I was just getting ready to join them.
Really? I probably disagree with your point of view. I consider myself pro-choice because I believe that the mother has the right to control her body.
I disagree. I believe that abortion is a form of murder and demeans the value of human life.
That may be true, but the number of back-alley abortions would skyrocket. If abortion was made illegal, this would result in a number of women becoming injured or sterile as a result of the procedure.
Why wouldn't the mother simply offer her child up for adoption? It is a much better and safer alternative.
Giving a child up for adoption can be very emotionally damaging. In addition, complications may result from birth that are much less likely in abortions.
But there are couples today who have been on the waiting list for months hoping to adopt a child. The pregnant mother that is considering abortion should consider this. And what about my tax dollars? Why should they be going to something I deem as immoral and against my religion?
Many young women are not in the financial state to help care for a baby. Abortions are actually saving this country money because the would-be mother would not have to care for her son or daughter and could go to work to support herself. Instead of supporting both the mother and the baby, you would only support the money needed for the abortion.
I still find the procedure immoral and would have absolutely no problem paying more of my tax dollars to see a happy mother and child, even if the pregnancy was the result of teenage carelessness.
That is another of my points. A woman should not be punished for her entire life for making a bad decision in her childhood.
Well, sex education has increased dramatically over the past decade and the woman should have been informed of her risks. You stated that teenage women should not be punished for a mistake they made in their young lives. Many women consider their abortion a mistake after it is performed.
But if the abortion is not performed, the women may keep thinking that it would have been much easier to have an abortion than live with a burden for her entire life. Also, have you ever considered that keeping a woman's right to abortion is unconstitutional?
No, I never have thought of that before. How so?
In 1973, the Supreme Court trial of Roe v. Wade stated that the woman's right to abortion is given in the 14th Amendment when it states, "No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges of citizens of the United States, nor deny to any person the equal protection of the law."
But perhaps the Constitution is outdated and was not written to cover issues such as abortion.
That may be true. However, the Supreme Court had complete control over the case and they stand that the Constitution is still current and true. Another of their reasons for ruling in favor of Roe was in the 9th Amendment, which states, "Certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people."
Very interesting statements. Oh, look at the time. The pro-life march started 10 minutes ago. Thank you so much for the talk. You gave me insight into the other side of the debate.
And so did you. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a great day in Washington. Goodbye.
Bye.